the matter with you?
They did a really good job. There's hardly any scarring. Smooth. Pretty even. Look.
Oh, Alice, I don't want to see.
I might get them reconstructed one day. For Harry. Hey, maybe I'll go enormous, massive ones. Pneumatic even.
You're cracking jokes now.